Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Examination of faded tattoos. The faded tattoos can be examined by four methods. 1. Ultraviolet rays. 2. Infrared photography. 3. In decomposed body, epidermis can be removed to examine the tattoo in that area. If any of the above is not possible to detect the tattoo, then we should dissect the lymph nodes near the tattoo area wherever tattoo was made for the evidence of coloring or pigment pattern, that is presence of deposition of pigment can be seen in the lymph nodes related to that area.
thank you and thank you for watching.